Looking for a new front-load washer without breaking the bank? In this video, we'll dive into the best options under $1,000 for 2024. From sleek designs to powerful performance, we've got you covered. So, stick around to find the perfect washer for your home. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Electrolux ELFW5630HW. This is an exceptional front-load washer that offers great value and performance. Its sleek design and user-friendly controls make it a pleasure to use, and the detergent drawer ensures even distribution for optimal cleaning. The internal water heater is a standout feature, enhancing the machine's ability to clean and sanitize heavily soiled garments. Additionally, the extended refresh function helps reduce wrinkles by preventing clothes from sitting too long after the cycle ends. With a larger drum capacity, it's ideal for larger families or those with bigger laundry loads. Overall, the washer delivers powerful cleaning performance, thoughtful features, and impressive convenience, making it a top choice for those seeking both quality and value in a washer. Number 2. Samsung WF53BB8700AT. It brings a stylish bespoke design to your laundry room without a hefty price tag. It's a highly efficient washer, offering fast cycles that remove more stains than the average machine. The clean aesthetics feel like a bonus, as the washer excels at its primary function. The feature set adds great value, with steam cycles for sanitizing or wrinkle removal, a self-cleaning mode, quiet operation, and an interior LED light. Its 6.1 cubic foot wash drum is perfect for larger families, and it can be stacked with a paired dryer to save space in your laundry closet. Overall, the washer combines form and function, making it a smart choice for those seeking performance and style. Number 3. LG-WM4200HWA. For a washer in its price range, the LG washer offers great value. In testing, it proved powerful enough to remove tough stains, and its spin cycles effectively extract water, lightening the load on your dryer. We also appreciate its steam features for wrinkle removal and sanitizing clothes. While it has some minor flaws, like a slightly laggy digital dial that can complicate cycle selection and wash cycles that are a bit harsher on clothes, these don't detract much from its overall performance. In the end, the LG washer is a strong contender in its class, offering excellent cleaning and useful features at a competitive price. Number 4. Maytag MHW5630HW. This is designed for busy families with hectic schedules and tough stains to tackle. This front-loading washer excels in both normal and delicate cycle settings, but it truly shines in its heavy-duty cycle. The 15-minute quick cycle is a great feature for those tight on time, while the 12-hour fresh spin setting keeps clothes fresh if you wash them and can't retrieve them right away. However, the extra power setting is a bit of a letdown. It doesn't improve cleaning performance but simply extends the wash time. Despite this, the Maytag washer offers reliable and efficient performance for everyday laundry needs. So, which one takes the crown? The LG WM4200HWA stands out for its exceptional features, reliability, and value. It's the winner for the best front-load washer under $1,000.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.